He's one of those guys that you see at meetings or events and you think, wow, if I could be like him, more like him, I would put myself in a better position in this industry.
He has always struck me as an extremely honorable person. He epitomizes the word gentleman.
He's very joyful. He makes sure he's enjoying every day, and it really resonates, you know, and it really echoes out from him. And when you're with him, the tendency is that you're having a good time too.
He's a family man. He is approachable. I mean, he's the chairman of a big company. He built this largely on his own from humble roots into what it is today.
Here's a guy from Minnesota that you might think is just focused on Minnesota and the 7 or 8 states that they work, but he's actually very global in nature.
To watch him interact with anyone, be it the president of a large corporation to the person on the warehouse floor, he is a genuine individual, and that's what he epitomizes to me.
You just can't find a more gracious human being. You know, just a wonderful, wonderful man, a wonderful family.
It's quite an honor, and it's a real treat to see Dad receiving this year's Leader of the Year award.
John Bartlett, you know, first of all, is just a wonderful human being.
John has a well-deserved reputation for being a nice guy. He literally is one of the nicest human beings you ever want to meet.
He's been the personification of what it really means in the automotive aftermarket to be a professional. And John has the ultimate respect of everyone that knows him.
John Bartlett is the true leader. At a very early age, 28 years old, the business fell in his lap. And you talk about a leadership opportunity. I mean, it hits right now. And he's led that business and built a beautiful business, over 160 locations, 1,200 employees, some of the finest people in the aftermarket, and you only do that without tremendous leadership.
What he's done is grown just a fabulous business, a wonderful business. He's living the American dream. And John does it with a little pinch from here and a little pinch from there, and that's his legacy, and that's something that, I mean, a lot of people would love to emulate.
He's built a beautiful business. It's a family business where trust and personal respect is certainly a tribute that's very important to that kind of a business.
We've been very fortunate to build a good team, and he was and has been integrally involved in helping us grow the business and helping us build relationships with customers and suppliers. And so as we look to continue to grow, it really is on that foundation.
John and his family have always demonstrated a commitment to the community that they serve, not just about auto parts and distribution, but about family, people, and values. And that's what I've learned probably more from John and the Bartletts than anything else.
The legacy that we have is to continue to grow and be successful, but we also want to make sure that we're involved in our communities and supporting causes that are important to those communities. And so, sure, we want the business to be healthy, but we want to make sure that the communities that we're in are just as healthy.
They care about their community, they care about their people. And you know, if we're in the community and we care about the community, that community responds by doing business with John Bartlett.
I want to congratulate John for a well-deserved award and nomination. He again epitomizes to me everything that it means to be a family man in this industry, and deserves all the accolades.
I would like to congratulate John Bartlett because he was a friend and knew very well Jack Kramer, who this award is named after. And I know that Jack would be incredibly proud to see John receive this recognition, and I know John will be just as proud because Jack was involved with it.
Thanks, John, for all you do for the industry, your employees, and your community. Congratulations on a well-deserved award.
He's the heart and soul of this industry, none like John Bartlett, and I congratulate him for this well-deserved award.